Welcome back to Baby's Magic Desk. Today we can learn some easy methods to paint different types of flowers. Double load your brush with red and light pink and blend it smoothly. And mark two lines like this, according to the width you need for your petal. This is a basic shell stroke. You can use this for different types of flowers. Just make some ruffles by wiggling your brush. Here I am painting hibiscus flower. You can mark 6 lines for 6 petals so that you will get equal width for all the petals. Now draw the filament using the chisel edge of flat brush. Add some yellow pollen grains. You can use number 2 script liner for this. For the next flower I am using dark and light purple. Now the brush is standing on the chisel edge. Push a little bit, give a circular motion for the upper part, slide back to the base and lift it up. Continue the same for all the petals. This is a simple basic flower. You can try with different beautiful colors. If the petals are transparent, restroke it again and again until you get satisfied with the thickness of your petals. Now we can give a small dot at the center of the flower using wicker white. Blending yellow and coffee brown for the next flower. Starting with lines. Start with an angle, wiggle your brush, slide to a point and drag back to the base. Now you can see how I am giving a fold at the base of petal, wiggling and sliding to a point, dragging back and twisting the brush. Complete all the petals and give some details with script liner. Next we can learn how to paint a beautiful pansy. For that we need the basic shell stroke that we learned at first. After completing first petal, give V shape on either side. Then paint 2 more petals. Here we have to keep the base of our flat brush at the center, then move and wiggle the other side. Here I am moving the blue part and keeping white at the center. Now I am painting 2 more petals below this. For that I gave a touch of yellow on my brush. Pick up some more yellow and give 2 teardrop strokes at the base. Give some details using yellow at the center and finish it off. Now we're gonna paint a rose flower. Here I took dark and light pink. Give C shape with your flat brush, then do the reverse stroke from one end to the other. I'm not explaining in detail. You can check out my rose flower painting video. Link is provided in the description box below. Now these are sunflower petals. Same like basic leaf stroke. Start with an angle, slide to a point and lift it up. I have a video on sunflower painting also. Please check it out for details. Next one is a simple method to paint flower stalks. Just push and give an inverted U movement to your brush. This is a simple daisy stroke. Push the chisel edge and drag to the center. Check out the description box for the detailed white daisy painting video.
Thank you so much for watching Baby's Magic Desk. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.